other. Okay, hello. Today we'll learn about groups of uppercase and lowercase letters and their writing. I have a question for you. How many letters are there in Uzbek alphabet? 29. Excellent. Well, what is letter? Let's learn about it. A letter is a written symbol of speech sounds people use to communicate with each other in writing. Well, letters combine to form syllables. Syllables combine to form words, and words form sentences. The Uzbek alphabet is based on Latin script, and as you mentioned, it has 29 letters. Well, each letter has an uppercase. It means capital form and lowercase form. Well, this is our Uzbek alphabet. Thank you. Next. Well, teaching writing is a literacy learning process. During the literacy teaching process, students develop elementary writing skills in parallel with learning to read. According to curriculum, students are expected to get the following writing skills. The first one, children should sit correctly and they should know how to use a pen. And then writing all uppercase and lowercase letters of the Uzbek alphabet based on the writing notebook or alphabet book. Well, according to analytic think sound method, when teaching letters in writing, the structure learned while reading. When the students read the text, they will remember the form of letters, the shape of letters. Teaching writing, first of all, means developing graphic. It means handwriting skills. Every skill is formed through instruction, practice, and performing a series of experiences on the basis. Well, writing skill is closely connected with reading skills. If the child reads slowly, it means they also write slowly. When we want our children to write fast, we should teach them how to read fast. In order to read fast, they should read syllables correctly. Next. In forming graphic handwriting skill, the following stages are observed. The main goal here is developing graphic skills. To write letters smoothly, develop lifting the hand, connecting them with separating into elements quickly and evenly. Okay, well, now organizational and hygienic conditions for teaching writing. In schools, the main writing tools is a ballpoint pen and chalk. We use chalk when we write on the board. And in the literacy learning period, different types of lined notebooks were used at different stages to teach children writing. At first, plain unlined paper was used, and later notebooks with dense horizontal lines and 3-line spacing were used. At present, 2-line notebook is recommended for teaching writing. The blackboard is also important in this situation. And when we teach the students how to write letters, there is also another method. It is draw a letter in the air. In this situation, students can remember how to write a letter. While writing, the teacher demonstrates that students should write at 65 degrees slant. For this purpose, the notebook is placed on the desk at a 25-degree angle. Working with a writing notebook in writing lessons organized on the basis of writing notebook. Students mainly get graphic handwriting skills. And now we will learn about orthographic elements in teaching writing. What does orthography mean? Orthography means it is literacy language, and it's a set of rules about correct writing. Now, developing student speech in writing lessons. In the process of copying and dictation are carried after creative writing. These types of written exercises ensure that tasks are performed consciously, activate students' cognitive activity. It means when the students learn to write, their cognitive abilities will also develop. Here, exercises from our book, from our subject. We can see the letter O. And this one?
T.
T. And the other, this one? A. And this one?
M.
M. Thank you for your attention.